Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to do a group video call on Telegram. So to do a group video call on Telegram, here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do is to open the Telegram app on your device. So once you open the Telegram app, then you have to go to any group of your choice that you want to make a group video call, and make sure you also have access to this to the group, so that I can have access to the video call option where you can simply create a video call. So let's get started. So I'm just going to click on this particular group which is created by me. Then I'm going to tap on the profile name at the top, then tap on the video call chat, tap on it. So now for you to be able to call the group call, just tap on start a video call. So once you start a video call, this will actually generate a video call for you. At the same time, you can invite member. Just click on this just to invite member. So you can simply add your group member or external member, and that's it.